Hi there, and welcome to this video, where we'll discuss the most popular Agile methodologies. Agile is a project management approach that revolutionizes how software development is carried out. It's based on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement principles. What is Agile? Before we dive into the popular Agile methodologies, let's define what Agile is. Agile is a project management approach that prioritizes delivering value to the customer over following a rigid plan. It allows teams to respond to changes in requirements and feedback in real time, leading to faster time to market and increased customer satisfaction. Scrum. Let's start with the most widely used Agile methodology, Scrum. Scrum is an iterative and incremental software development approach focused on delivering a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. Sprints typically last 2 to 4 weeks and are a continuous cycle of planning, development, and review. Kanban. Another popular Agile methodology is Kanban. Kanban is a visual system for managing work, and it prioritizes work based on the flow of work through the development process. Unlike Scrum, Kanban has no time-bound sprints, and work is pulled through the development process as it becomes available. Lean is the last of the popular Agile methodologies we'll discuss today. Lean is a continuous improvement methodology that is focused on reducing waste and maximizing value for the customer. Lean is often combined with other Agile methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, to streamline processes and improve overall project outcomes. Strengths and weaknesses. Each Agile methodology has its strengths and weaknesses. For example, Scrum is great for projects with well-defined requirements, while Kanban is more suitable for projects with uncertain requirements. Lean is great for streamlining processes and reducing waste, but it may not be the best choice for projects with tight deadlines. Choosing the right methodology. The right Agile methodology for your project will depend on various factors, such as the size of your team, your project's complexity, and your stakeholders' requirements. It's essential to carefully consider these factors and choose the methodology best fits your needs. That's a brief overview of the most popular Agile methodologies. Each of these methodologies offers a unique approach to software development and has its strengths and weaknesses. By carefully considering the important factors for your project, you can choose the right methodology for you and increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.